Ayunle, also spelled like this, is an Oriki given to a child around whom people shall dance. The word yun is a word that describes a to-fro movement. That is why we say that Ayunlo, Ayunbo, lọ́wọ́ yún ẹnu. Yun simply means to do something with the to and fro consistency. That is why the word is also used for the scratching of your body. And the word le in this case means to do something because of, or to do something for, or even to do something to. Tí n bá gbé nǹkan lé ọ lórí, it means that I have put something on your head. I have done that thing to you. Ayunle is therefore ọmọ tá ó máa yún lé lórí, the child for whom we shall always dance. Whenever you see us dancing, know that it is because of this child. Ayunle, such a deep and very meaningful Oriki. Wàá Ṣere.